everybody. My name's Tara Birdsong and I am at Ethos Apartments today. And although you can't come inside and take a tour, I figured I would show you one of our very beautiful apartments that are available right now. I'm in apartment 1832. It's got a beautiful view. It's a great spacious one-bedroom apartment and I'm so excited to show you. So as soon as I can figure out how to turn this camera around. Here we go. Awesome. So I'm at the entrance right now. You see that in your dining area you have a built-in desk. We'll take a quick look at this area. It's nice and spacious. See the door. Here you are. If I walk back over here, you can see the beginning of the kitchen. As you can tell, that there is a ton of cabinet space, so no worries there. And on top of the cabinet areas as well is where I like to decorate and kind of put my own style. My last name is Birdsong, so I do a lot of bird themed stuff. I know, I'm a dork, but here's your living room. Huge as well. And if you can't tell just from this view here that your view outside is beautiful. So we'll take a quick look out here as well. This would be your patio space, or balcony I should say. That's your view. It's almost like you're not even in Austin. It's gorgeous. We'll take a quick walk over around. And we'll move back over to the kitchen. You have stainless steel appliances. Like I said, beautiful cabinet space. Granite countertops. I cook a lot from home, especially right now during this lockdown. And I've got to tell you, having all this space is amazing. Glass top. And then across the way would be your washer dryer connections. We do provide those as well. So if you don't have them yourself, you can rent them from us or a vendor of your choice. But if you do have them, we have the connections. Then over this way, you have your bedroom. My cell phone's not the best for this. But as you can see, just from your bedroom as well, you have like this beautiful view. And on the third floor corner units, you get these awesome 3 little windows too. If you're a plant person like I am, I would definitely put like cute little succulents in there. So this is your bedroom. Then over here is the bathroom. You have a linen closet, lots of space. Your bathtub is huge and it's the best bath I've ever had in my life. Lots of cabinet space again. Toilet. Got one of those too. Let me turn on the light. And we are in your closet. This is not doing it any justice. You could fit a small bed in here, probably a nightstand. Like, it's huge. Trying to get the full effect of how big this is. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me them. I would love to help you out. I know that right now is kind of a crazy time with trying to find apartments. I've never even done one of these lives before, and I forgot. We have a coat closet in the front here. And I love this too. I'm a huge gamer, and so I would definitely put all my game stuff in here. You've got this little area right here that you can put all the wires and things through. It's all hooked up and ready to go. It's awesome. I love this apartment. You've got so much space. You have accessibility from the living area and from your bedroom to the bathroom with that huge closet, huge kitchen, beautiful view. It's just a really great apartment. Like I said, this one's on special right now, and as you can tell from it being clean and empty, it is ready and available now. So if you have any questions, guys, I'd absolutely love to help you out. I am in the office today until 5 o'clock. Our phone number is 512-407-9918. My email is ethos@bes.com. So give me a ring or send me an email if you're interested, or in a different apartment. It doesn't have to be this one, but I just figured you guys would like to see it. So thank you all for coming, and have a great day.